Deep within the immense Atlantic Ocean lies a mysterious region that has captivated the imagination and fear of countless people for over 100 years. This place is known as the Bermuda Triangle, a vast and enigmatic region covering around 500,000 square miles, stretching from the Bermuda Islands in Florida to Puerto Rico. At the heart of this enigmatic realm lies the Milwaukee Deep, the deepest point in the entire Atlantic Ocean, plunging to depths deeper than 1.5 miles the length of Mount Kilimanjaro. No wonder the Bermuda Triangle has puzzled and confused scientists and researchers, as the wreckage of numerous lost ships and aircraft remains hidden and elusive. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle dates back to 1492, when the famous explorer Christopher Columbus embarked on his daring journey through these waters while on his way to Asia. His ship journal tells chilling tales of compasses going haywire, strange lights flickering in the night sky, and the sea giving off an eerie glow. This marked the first recorded incident of the Bermuda Triangle's sinister reputation, a legacy that continues to intrigue us to this day. Over the years, the Bermuda Triangle has claimed the lives of many sailors and aviators, as ships and aircraft mysteriously vanished without a trace. For instance, in 1944, the U.S. Navy encountered the USS Rubicon, an American ship that had lost all communications a month earlier. However, when they boarded the vessel, they found no crew members and everything was undisturbed, as if the crew had simply disappeared. Throughout history, this aquatic graveyard has seen the discovery of numerous shipwrecks, leaving behind a haunting trail of unanswered questions. Scientists have put forth numerous theories, but the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries remain puzzling and seemingly unsolvable. Let's explore some of the most famous incidents that made the Bermuda Triangle famous for its mysterious and puzzling reputation. It all started back in 1880 with the HMS Atalanta, a training sailing ship that left Bermuda for England on January 31st. But something strange happened. The ship never made it to its destination. It vanished without a trace, leaving everyone shocked. People guessed that maybe a strong storm and an inexperienced crew caused it, but no one found any wreckage or survivors. The mystery of HMS Atalanta's disappearance still puzzles us today. Then in 1918, the coal carrier Cyclops left Barbados with its load of manganese ore and 309 crew members. But a few days later, it disappeared too. This became the biggest non-battle incident in U.S. Navy history, and folks had all sorts of theories: storms, too much cargo, or even an attack by the German Navy. But we still don't know what happened to the USS Cyclops inside the Bermuda Triangle. In 1921, the Carroll A, a 5-masted schooner, ran aground near Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. But here's the strange part. The ship was empty. No crew, no passengers. Even after searching, no one found the missing folks. Some people said pirates did it, while others thought the crew planned it themselves. It's all a big mystery. Then came the famous Flight 19 in 1945. 5 planes went on a training mission but never came back. The whole squadron vanished over the Atlantic. Another plane sent to rescue them also disappeared with 13 crew members. This was just the beginning of strange airplane incidents in the Bermuda Triangle. More planes vanished, leaving everyone scratching their heads. The years went by, but the mysteries didn't stop. In 1955, a yacht called Connemara 4 was found drifting in the Atlantic without any crew or passengers. It's hard to believe the crew would leave the yacht like that. Then, in 1963, 2 U.S. Air Force planes crashed in the Atlantic near Bermuda. Collisions happen, but why did it happen in the Bermuda Triangle? As we fast forward to 1970, another enigmatic incident unfolded in the Bermuda Triangle. Bruce Gernon, a surviving pilot, shared his bizarre experience. His aircraft became surrounded by 2 enormous clouds that formed a whirlpool and a spiral, affecting his navigation devices. When Gernon finally escaped those eerie clouds, he was stunned to find that his entire flight had taken only 35 minutes, instead of the expected 75 minutes. Perplexed by what he had gone through, Gernon believed he might have somehow traveled through time. Not only strange clouds, but unidentified flying objects, UFOs, have also been reported in the Bermuda Triangle. In 2014, a pilot recalled almost colliding with an unidentified object he couldn't explain. Some of these peculiar encounters have been caught on tape. For example, during an early 2015 flight, passengers spotted a curious object floating above the ocean, leaving pilots puzzled about what they had witnessed. Even today, the mystery remains. In 2020, a small boat with 20 people disappeared after crossing the Gulf Stream from the Bahamas to Lake Worth. Search teams looked everywhere, but they found nothing. These are just a few examples of the strange things that happen in the Bermuda Triangle. People have many ideas and guesses, but we still don't know the real truth. Researchers are still trying to figure it out. The Bermuda Triangle keeps its secrets, reminding us that there are still many mysteries waiting to be discovered in our world. Theories behind the disappearances. Over the years, numerous theories have emerged, each attempting to shed light on the perplexing phenomena that have occurred in this notorious region. Let's delve into some of the most popular theories that have sought to explain the unexplained. Human error and technical malfunction. One of the simplest and most plausible explanations revolves around human error and technical failures. Many of the vessels and aircraft that vanished within the Bermuda Triangle were older models, potentially susceptible to mechanical malfunctions. In addition, navigational errors by pilots and crew members in this vast expanse of the ocean could have easily led to their perplexing disappearances. Natural disasters. The Bermuda Triangle is notorious for its unpredictable and turbulent weather patterns. Sudden storms, rogue waves, hurricanes, and waterspouts are known to frequent the area. Such natural calamities could have dealt fatal blows to ships and planes, causing them to be swallowed by the deep, unforgiving waters. Pirates and criminal activity. The vastness and remoteness of the Bermuda Triangle's islands make it an enticing haven for pirates and criminal activities. Some theorists speculate that nefarious elements might have hijacked ships and planes, diverting them to these secluded locales, or that pirate attacks could have contributed to the perplexing vanishing acts. Methane Gas Hydrates. Venturing into more unconventional territory, a unique theory suggests that methane gas hydrates could be the hidden culprits behind the disappearances. This volatile gas lies concealed deep beneath the ocean floor and can be released due to geological activity or underwater landslides. Such releases could lead to ships and planes sinking without a trace. Time warps and paranormal activity. The most sensational and controversial theory invokes the realm of the supernatural. Some speculate that the Bermuda Triangle might be a gateway to other dimensions, where time warps and paranormal forces are at play. According to this conjecture, vessels and aircraft might have been mysteriously transported to alternate times or places. Scientist expeditions to the Bermuda Triangle. In recent years, lots of scientists have gone on trips to explore the mysterious waters of the Bermuda Triangle. They wanted to understand its secrets and solve the puzzles it held. One big exploration happened in 2018, led by Dr. Robert Ballard's Ocean Exploration Trust. They called it the Bermuda Deepwater Caves Expedition and had a team of skilled scientists and engineers with high-tech gear. During the expedition, they used special vehicles called ROVs to map the unexplored caves and get samples of soil and water. They also had sensors to measure the water's chemistry, temperature, and any strange changes in the magnetic field. The findings from this trip gave us new information about the Bermuda Triangle's land and sea. They found huge sinkholes under the water called blue holes, which nobody knew about before. These holes might be created when underground caves collapse and might be important for how water moves in the region. They also discovered that the seabed in the Bermuda Triangle has a lot of methane and hydrogen sulfide, which can hurt sea life and even make ships sink. Even with all this exploring, they didn't find any proof of strange magnetic fields or anything supernatural that could explain why ships and planes disappear. Other scientists have looked into the Bermuda Triangle, but they haven't found any evidence of ghosts or magic. Most experts believe the disappearances happen for regular reasons like mistakes by people, bad weather, and tricky ocean conditions. Scientists' exploration of the ocean's secrets. The Bermuda Triangle has been a mysterious place for a long time, and many people have tried to understand why ships and planes disappear there. But it's not just the disappearances that have drawn attention. Scientists have explored the area to study the ocean's influence on the weather, the seabed and its minerals, and the Earth's crust deep under the ocean floor. The seabed in the Bermuda Triangle has been well studied. There are different types of seabed landforms, like shelves, slopes, plateaus, plains, and trenches. The area has a unique geological formation called the limestone platform, which holds the remains of ancient creatures. There are also coral reefs, the northernmost ones on Earth, that have been preserved for millions of years. The origin of Bermuda itself has been a subject of debate among scientists. Some believe it was formed due to unusual volcanic activity. The Puerto Rico Trench, the deepest part of the Atlantic Ocean, is also in the Bermuda Triangle. It has been explored, but there are no mysterious creatures or forces there, just sediments and volcanic ash. One interesting discovery in the area is methane gas hydrates, which can be dangerous. They are found deep below the ocean floor and can cause ships and planes to sink. Scientists are closely monitoring these gas hydrates to understand their behavior. Although we have learned much about the Bermuda Triangle, many mysteries still remain. It continues to be a fascinating place for exploration, and researchers will keep looking for answers. The Bermuda Triangle reminds us that there is much we don't know about our oceans and the wonders they hold. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share the video.